Yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Yeah man, so today guys, I'm in the kitchen and I'm cooking some chicken and eggplant, otherwise known as garden egg. Yeah man, in Jamaica that's what we call it, garden egg. Yeah man, so stay tuned guys, catch it pre and watch what go on. Sure, clean up the chicken properly, you know what I mean? And I have some lemon and vinegar, yeah man, in the water soaking chicken. Yeah man, so I remove all the skin from off the chicken guys, as you can see. Remove all the skin guys and all the excess fat from off the chicken. Alright guys, so I have my chicken cut up. I cut them. I'm gonna drain off this lemon and vinegar water, and then I'm gonna rinse it with some cold water before applying my seasoning. Alright. So I rinse it twice guys. Yeah man. Then I'm going to strain off the water and make sure I drain it properly. Get rid of most of the water guys as possible. That is it. So now guys, I'm gonna clean up my cutting board, make sure I wash my cutting board. I wash it with some soap to get rid of that poultry odor, you know what I mean? Yeah man, get rid of all the rawness. Okay guys, I'm gonna rinse my hand again. Now I'm gonna apply my powder seasoning. And don't forget this guys, pepper and salt is the #1 seasoning for bird meat. Alright, pepper and salt. Alright, So first I'm applying some black pepper. Some garlic powder. Some slap your mama. This is our original seasoning, guys. It works really well. Yeah, man. The substitute for me when I can't get my Jamaican seasoning, you know what I mean? This is what I use for substitute. Here I have some Maggi seasoning. Yeah, man. I have some complete seasoning. I'll add some paprika. Some meat seasoning. And some Italian herbs. Excuse me. Yes, guys, so here I have my chicken seasoned and massaging it properly, guys. Yeah, man. Get all the herbs and spices seasoned down to the bone, guys. That is it. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna let it sit in the refrigerator, guys, and marinate for 1 hour while I get my garden seasoning ready. Yeah, man. Get my eggplant prepare and all the good stuff, alright? Cover this nicely and I'm gonna sit it in the refrigerator. So stay tuned, catch it pre and watch how I go on. Okay, guys, it's a change of plan. I'm gonna have to cook curry, guys, instead of brown down the chicken and cook it down with the eggplant. I'm gonna have to make it curry. You don't know the kids, that's what the kids request, so that's what I'm gonna do. You know what I mean? I'm a father who like to please the kids, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So it's just my thing, guys. So another time I'll cook it the other way, alright? So just bear it with me, okay, guys? Yeah, man. That is it. Don't know the kids come first, you know. Yeah, man. So I think when I was a kid growing up, guys, I didn't have much choice, you know what I mean? I couldn't request what I want to eat. So I said to myself, when I get my kids, I'm gonna give them all the love and the comfort that I didn't get, all the opportunity that I didn't have in life, I didn't get in life. I'm gonna try give it to my kids, you know what I mean? So I go the extra mile for my kids, guys. So that's just it. They are who I'm living for, guys. You know what I mean? Just like to see my kids happy. That's it. That makes me happy, you know what I mean? That is it. Yes, guys, that is it, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, I'm just being real. Yeah, man, that is it, guys. Nothing too personal, I'm just sharing a little of my life story with you guys. Yeah, man. I'm just being real. Yeah, man. That is the reason why I work so hard, guys. Yeah man, cause I wanna give my kids the life that I didn't get. You know what I mean? Yeah man. I was the black sheep of my family, guys, if you know what that mean, you know what I mean? Yeah man. So I tell myself, gotta make it. Yeah man. So when people are try put me down, guys, and think the worst of me, it motivates me, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Make me go harder. Yeah man. So here, guys, get back down to cooking business, you know what I mean? I have my habanero pepper, garlic, thyme, scallion. Yeah man. So I'm gonna put it in the oil, guys, and add some curry to it. Yeah man, and toast the curry. I'm gonna burn the curry with all of this before adding my meat. All right, stay tuned, catch it pre, and watch what I go on. Don't forget, guys, just keep supporting my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Yeah man, you guys been awesome. Respect you guys a lot, you know what I mean? Yeah man, you guys push my channel so far, guys. Right now I'm at 900 and about 74 subscribers, and that's awesome. Very good. I really appreciate that, guys. Yeah man, from the bottom of my heart, I do appreciate that, guys, because my channel is just been like a year and a half now since I started my cooking channel, and that's doing really great, guys, for me to in such a short space of time. And I'm at 974 subscribers. That is a blessing. Yeah man, Flex has say one love and much respect. So stay tuned, catch it pre, and watch where I go. We are gonna burn some curry now, guys. Yeah man, with these amazing seasoning. So I'm adding this to the oil. Yeah. You don't know, guys, original. You see the flag? Better pop. No other way. Come on, original curry this. This curry is made from turmeric. Yeah man. Yeah man, catch it pretty, guys. Make sure you toast the curry properly, burn the curry, you know what I mean? But when I use the term burning the curry, guys, it doesn't mean you're gonna burn it blackly. When I say, yeah man, you just toast it golden brown before adding your meat or any water, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so you let this bunja down properly, guys, with the meat before adding any water. Alright? You have to know how to control your heat. You can't apply too much heat, because the curry will easily burn, and you don't want that. This is it, guys. So now I'm gonna add my chicken. Alright. So it's the same procedure of seasoning the chicken, guys. Yeah. So as I say, guys, bunja this done properly before adding any water, you know what I mean? So the chicken is gonna spring the own water, you know what I mean? In other terms, guys, it's gonna sweat and absorb all these amazing herbs and spices, all the seasoning. Look at this, guys. Look at this. is it. So stay tuned, catch it free, and watch what I go on. And remember, we're cooking curry chicken with eggplant, otherwise known as garden egg. Alright? Yeah, man, in Jamaica we call it garden egg, guys, but you don't know. The universal world, it's eggplant. So I'm gonna let this bun get down properly, guys, before I add any water to it. Alright? In the meantime, I'm gonna prepare my garden seasoning. You don't know. And any one of you guys don't know what I'm talking about, this is it. Yeah, man. Eggplant, aka garden egg. Alright? Stay tuned, catch it free, and watch what I go on. Yes, guys, so while the chicken bones are done properly, guys, yeah, man, this is what we mean when it says bunche. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. I don't know, guys, curry originated in the West Indies from India, you know, so that's the term, that's the Indian terms of simmer down, you know what I say? Yeah, man, bunge down properly. That is it. Stay tuned, catch it free, and watch what I go on. Yes, guys, so now preparing my garden seasoning, guys. Some other, a little more scallion and some thyme, habanero pepper, some white onion, add some bell pepper, guys. I'm gonna dice up my bell pepper. That is it. Alright, guys, so now I'm preparing my eggplant, guys. And some people peel the skin from off it, but I don't peel it because most of the nutrients lies in the skin. Yeah, man, if you never know, guys. So I don't really peel it. So I dice the eggplant in small cubes, guys. Alright, guys, so here I have my eggplant all cut up, guys, so I'm gonna wash it and rinse it properly. Alright, I'm going to stay tuned, guys, catch it free and watch what I go on. Don't forget, guys, I'm cooking curry chicken and eggplant, otherwise known as garden egg. Alright, yeah, man. That is it. Okay guys, so now I'm adding it to my chicken. So as fluffy as you see this is, guys, when it starts steaming up, it's gonna shrink. All right, so it's gonna melt it in the chicken, melt away in the chicken, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah. So shrink, man. That is it, guys. Stay tuned, catch it pre, and watch what go on. Yes, guys, don't know. Get my jasmine rice going. What's better to go with this curry chicken and garden egg than some nice white jasmine rice? Yeah, man. I have my rice going, guys. Just added some salt. I'm gonna add some butter and let it steam. Alright, stay tuned, catch it pre, and watch what go on. Add some butter, guys. Give it a stir, loosen up the grains. Yeah, man. And I'm gonna allow this to steam. Alright, stay tuned, guys, catch it pre, watch what go on. Yes, guys, welcome back. As you can see, guys, here I have my white rice, guys. Nice and shelly. That is it. Stay tuned, catch it free, and watch what go on. Okay, guys. Yeah, man, lunch is ready. That is it, guys. Yes, guys, so this is my curry chicken with garden egg, aka eggplant. Yeah, man, that is it.